How to add collaboration in Instagram Reels. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can add collaboration to Instagram Reels, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you're not aware, you must be aware that you can also add a collaborator while you are posting a reel. So if you tap the plus button over here, and then let's say you go to this little reel tab, and then you select a certain video that maybe you would like to post. Now I just hit the next option over here, and when I basically tap on this little next option, what I need to do is over here you'll find the option called tag people. So tap on tag people, and as you do that, over here you'll find this option called invite collaborators. So here, as you normally would do to any post, just search for the collaborator you'd like to invite, and if they accept it, they will get successfully become a collaborator. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then invite collaborators on Instagram Reels. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.